I am going to explain how to construct the automatic street light using LDR in this proteous simulation software. Let's start drawing the automatic LDR circuit. First I have to take a battery cell I connected here. Then I need LDR I place like this. So one part potentiometer, I place the potentiometer here. Then I need a two transistor. One transistor I placed here, another one transistor I placed here. I need a resistor, one resistor I placed here. I make it this resistor in vertical direction. Then I need a relay. I take one relay here. I need one diode. I rotate the diode in anti-clockwise direction. So I need one alternator placed here. Then I need one lamp. I place the lamp here. I need one ground. I make it a common ground. I place the common ground here. Just I want to make the connection. So the battery plus is connected with one end of LDR, the another end of LDR connected with the potentiometer. The base terminal of Q1 is connected with the LDR and pot terminal. The negative terminal connected to the ground. So the pot one end is connected to the ground, and the pot center terminal also connected with the ground. Emitter of Q1 also connected with ground. Then emitter of Q2 also connected with the ground. Diode anode is connected with the collector of Q2. Relay one end is connected with the collector. Relay other end is connected with the 12 volt supply. 12 volt positive. Cathode of diode is connected with positive. R1 resistance one end connected with the positive terminal of cell. R1 another end is connected with the collector of transistor Q1. So almost all the connection in coil of the relay is over. So the contactor side I have to connect to open contactor with the alternator one end. The alternator other end connected with the lamp other end is connected with the common contactor. So in the contactor side, this is the common terminal normally closed, this one is normally open. Now I connect the lamp in the normally open connection. Okay, now I set the battery voltage is 12 volt. Ensure that this battery voltage and the relay voltage, it should be at least equal or more than the relay voltage. The battery voltage should be more than the relay voltage, or else at least both should be equal. The base of the Q2 is connected with the collector of Q1. Okay, that connection also must. So I make R1 is 1K. So initially I make this potentiometer is 2K. I make it 2K initially. Okay, so I think all the connection is over. Now a little bit I am explaining about this connection. This relay coil side one circuit is there, contactor side is another circuit is there. This relay coil side, that means the left hand side the circuit is called it as the control circuit. the right hand side circuit, that means the relay contactor circuit is application circuit. Okay, so this contactor circuit is actually, let us consider, assume the street light. Okay, this is the street light. Okay, in the street light we are providing AC signal. So here I take a 12 volt lamp, so that I have to set the voltage is more than 12 volt. So it may be single phase AC, means it may be 230 volt. Okay, street light means maybe the 230 volt. So here for the demonstration purpose I take 12 volt. Okay, why? Because I selected a 12 volt bulb. This is, let us consider this is the street light. So what is the application? Daytime the street light automatically switched off, night time automatically it should be switched on. So night time means the intensity is low, then the light will on. Okay, so the intensity is more, the light will off, like that we have to set. So that initially what I am doing, I am making the intensity is more, I make it the intensity around 23. So let us consider, if the intensity is 23 means it may be the daytime. For example, around 1 p.m., 2 p.m. like that, or maybe 12 noon like that. Okay, now the intensity is more. If the intensity is more, the light should be off. Now the intensity is going reduced. For example, the time comes 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m. like that. The intensity is going to, light intensity is going to reduce. For example, the intensity comes around 13. In this point, maybe the intensity comes around 30. We assume that it may be the evening time, 6 o'clock or maybe the 6:30. If it is so, the light should on. Okay, this is our required operation. So I set now the 23. Let us consider this may be the 12 noon daytime. What will happen? Just we have to run the simulation. Now the simulation is running. The light is off. Also this AC supply is supplied to the light, even the light is off. Let us consider the light intensity is 23. We assume that it may be the afternoon time. Okay, just we assume it may be the 12 noon. Daytime the light is off. So I am going to slowly reduce the intensity. That means it comes maybe the evening. See now I make it 16, 15. Now the intensity is 15. Maybe the just we have to assume it is evening time around 5:45 like that. So suppose I am still reducing the intensity. Now the lamp is on. Okay, see the relay. Now the relay is connected with the normally closed. Now the lamp is on. Let us consider now the maybe the time is evening 6 p.m. like that. Okay, now the light is on. If the intensity is little bit more, then light is off. Okay, so the intensity is less, the light will on. Okay, say suppose I want to make lamp will on around 7 p.m. only. I told you the intensity maybe 13 means the time will be 6 p.m. Okay, I don't want to turn on the street light at 6 p.m. I want to turn on the street light at 7 p.m. Okay, so 7 p.m. means little more also this intensity should be down. Later on only it should on. Even the 13 intensity means the street light should not be on. Why? Because I want to turn on the street light after 7 o'clock. So if it is so, what can I do? So simply stop the simulation. I will, so this pot value I will adjust. Instead of 2K, I will set 5K. Okay. What happened now? If it is 5K means the intensity, the even the 13 intensity. Now the intensity is 13. Still the lamp is in the off position. Okay. So now I am going to reduce the intensity. The intensity may